Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add references in LaTeX Overleaf in 2026. Now, in order to do this, first of all, you need to open your web browser. Over here in the search bar, you need to simply search for overleaf.com. Now, when you are here, you just have to log in into your account if you haven't already. Now, you can start with a new project. So click on the option of new project, then click on the option of blank project. Afterwards, you just have to give your project a name and you are going to see this type of new project interface in front of you. Now, when you are done with this, you just have to click on this plus icon or this file icon on the top, then click on the option of new file. Now, over here, you just have to create a new file with this particular extension, which is called .bib. So .bib file is going to store all of your references sources in the bib text format. So I've given this file name references.bib, then click on the option of create, and as you can see we have this particular file available. Now after doing so, you just have to open a new tab, and here you just have to go to a trusted academic source such as Google Scholar or general databases or citation generators. For example, if you are researching artificial intelligence in healthcare, you can just simply search for a relevant article and click the quotation mark or citation option. So for example, I came here on Google Scholar, and here if I search for artificial intelligence in healthcare, it is going to show me a bunch of different articles available here. So click on the option of cite right next to that particular article which you want to basically use as a reference. Then click on the option of bib text. Now as soon as you do this, you are going to see this type of code here. So you need to copy this from here, then come here to your references.bib tab, and then you just have to paste it over here. After doing this, you just have to simply go to your main text file, and over here you just have to select the area where you want to add the reference. So over here you just have to basically provide backslash and then simply search for cite. Then it is automatically going to show you the references that you have created. So you just have to select one and add it over here. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.